Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. In this video we'll talk about link creation. And there are a couple of different ways to go about this, and I'm going to go ahead and demo the first one and then we'll get into the second part. The first method we're going to go over, and the easiest method, is by clicking a point on a coverage and doing a path analysis. Once you've clicked the button, you'll be presented with an option to save the path. Fill in the fields for link name, site name, and install height. After that, you can click the button to save the path, or bypass the whole process and choose to discard everything. The second method to create a link is from the New Link Creation menu. We'll start off here by giving the link a name. If you've created a radio system, you can select it here. From there, we can go ahead and select our sites. Antenna height is automatically populated from your tower data, but you can manually adjust these features if you find it necessary. Everything after this is going to constitute your coverage data. The transmission site transmitter info, the receiving station, and the system performance values are all coverage settings. Most of these values can be pulled from a spec sheet. The receiving station is for your client properties. The system performance values are something you can tweak to customize your coverage. For a detailed explanation concerning all of these fields, take a look at our coverage creation series. Once you are done with all that, click Create New Link to save the changes. You can see that once you've created the link, you end up on the Edit screen. Here, you can download your Google Earth flyby or edit your link settings. There's one more thing I wanted to cover here, and it's the ability to travel along your link path using the slider. If you zoom in your map as far as you can go, it'll give you a nice detailed aerial view of everything along your path. You can see that we've got some elevation data here. Those numbers are going to update as you move the slider along. To view your point-to-points on a multi-map, you'll need to add them to a link group. Link groups can only be created once you have your links set up. That being said, let's go ahead and create a link group so you can see what you're dealing with here. If you're not familiar with link groups, I'll give you a quick bit of info on that. Once you're on the link group creation page, select the links you want to include. After that, you can give the group a name, and select a line color. After that, just click Create. The results can then be viewed when you open an existing multi-map. Once the map loads, select the Link Group button on the bottom left. Click the link you want to display, and wait for it to load. If you found this content helpful and you'd like to see more, don't forget to click that subscribe button. If you want to get notified when we upload a video, be sure to ring that bell. Thank you for joining us, and I will see you for the next one.